Himanshu Kulshestra as our chief guest, who have completed his education on National Institute of Construction Management and Research, and who has worked on site civil engineer on ASPM, Lahoti, and in Kachma, and project lead in Oyo. At present, he is pursuing his career on Loxton as senior site engineer. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Today, he'll share about his expertise and steps that he took in order to become a successful civil engineer. We are happy to have you, sir, and let's begin.
Yes, it's completely my pleasure. Please.
So, how did you start your career as civil engineer, sir?
Well, I've completed my BTech in 2013, and afterwards I joined a group of Viv Infra. Over there, I started for a residential project, and that job is, I will say, it's a accident. I will get that job is accidentally right. So over there, I started working as a site engineer, and I'll get a job on that day when I give the interview on the site, and I'll get the job. So it's a residential project over there. We completed around 52 villas in Ghaziabad, and so the journey begins, and I will get the jobs in between. Continue.
Very nice, sure. So, the next one is what made you interested in civil engineering? So, did you have passion on it, or what's the cause for you to get into the civil engineering?
Going in the civil engineer, I'll tell you, uh, it's a very it's a very interesting thing for me. Actually, I've actually cleared up in my what I was in triple E exams for Punjab Technical in PAC for a IT branch. But I don't know how the destiny came to me, and I got a opportunity to join a college in Jaipur for civil engineer. So I have actually got an admission in Punjab University for IT department, and I attended, I guess, a semester over there also. But suddenly I got a opportunity. I got a selection in civil engineering in Jaipur. So I switched my career in 2009 for started my career for civil engineer actually.
Oh, what is that? You switch it from IT to civil.
Yeah, it's very um, unbelievable, but yes, I have joined from IT to civil.
Yes. What I said. It's kind of interesting. Yes. So the next one is what's the biggest challenge you have faced in this career, sir?
In my career, I have joined a Japanese group named Kazima Corporation. Over there, I got opportunity to work with them, and we have done a project in Haridwar. That's over there. We actually developed 22,000 square meter area for an industrial project for Anchor company. Over there, we provided a industry to them. Also, we provided a industry. I will say the industry and the infra for them. We developed the STP, WTP, and an industry. And it was challenging for us because we have to complete that project in 9 months. We have a target to achieve a industry till handover in just 9 months, and we actually did it in a given time. And yes, it was very challenging, and it's very adventurous for us because we have worked around 12 to 20 hours a day sometimes. But yes, at the end we get the handover on the project, and yes, we achieved that. Also, I work a
Nice, sir.
project recently. Also I recently joined a project in Riva, MP. Over there, if you have heard, recently our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated a solar project of Asia's largest solar project in Ultra Mega Solar in Riva, and I was the part of that
Okay.
project. Over there, I have completed 250 megawatt project in the Riva, and just that was also an adventurous project for
Wow,
us.
that's
And for India, it was Asia's
yes.
largest solar
That
project
was
currently.
oh, amazing, sir. So you have faced many difficulties in order to become successful now. Right, sir. So what has been your biggest accomplishment in your career so far, sir?
Well, for I will say for professionally, for learning wise, I'll say the project that I did in Haridwar. But yes, for the if I will say the in terms of recognition that I will get in the project which I have done in Riva in solar project, because it was Asia's largest solar project. So yeah, in terms of recognition, I'll say that that I did it in Riva. But in terms of if I will say learning, that I have done in Haridwar for industrial construction.
All right, all right, quite amazing. So the next one, what do you think as a unique skill that helped you to become successful, or a essential unique skill in order to become a good civil engineer?
Well, I don't say that a successful, but yes, for a good civil engineer, the basic, and I feel for every person who belongs to core, need to be patient. Being patient, being to be patient. If you have a patience, because in our field we have not to exhaust our I will say mental level, but we have to exhaust our physical abilities also, because we work in summer, in winters, in many different temperatures in India, as we have, as you are already aware. So I'll say the patience is the
Yes.
crucial. That if you have a patience to face the situations, that's definitely, yes. I will say that definitely it's a perk for you.
Okay, sir. So everyone must have patience. All right, sir. So any other essential skill in terms of academics or education level, sir?
If you if you just completed your graduation or diploma in civil engineer, afterwards you have to first decide in which genre you want to work for us as a civil engineer. Like you want to work in execution, you want to work in planning, or in designing. Because nowadays I have seen that mostly students are interested in doing in planning and designing sections. Mostly people just want to go away from the execution. But I'll say it is interesting. Just it requires some patience and some dedication in your field. If you get it there, it's very amazing for you to do it. So, firstly, you have to decide that in your initial level, what you want to choose. Like you want to go in execution, you want to go in planning, or in design. This is the first
All
thing
right.
that you have to decide. Yeah.
All right. All right. Thank you. So other than being patient, an advice for young civil engineers who are going to graduate this year, sir? General advice, something like that.
I'll say that in such a pandemic year, I'll say be patient, have some faith. Uh, there's so many projects yet to come in India, and yes, there's so many projects will get started in future. Be patient there and try to join there with your proper positive skills. You'll be going to learn so much. Don't get afraid. Just try to enjoy and whatever environment you are getting. Be positive. You'll definitely do something better. Yeah.
All right, sir. That sounds good. So next, are there any resource or an advice that really helped you in your journey, sir?
Uh, I'll say I'm very fortunate that I'll always be working with some amazing people in as a manager, as my managers. They are very supportive, and they just be the persons who tell me the on the time who have aware me technically in the field. Honestly, but in our civil field, I will say that honesty is very crucial. Just be honest to the work, what you are doing, and it's very crucial in civil engineering. You will eventually learn the technicalities. You will eventually learn and how to communicate with the other work peoples, how to deal with the problems. But honesty is very crucial in the field. If you are honest to your work, you will get everything what you want.
Yes, sir. That is one thing which we really want. So, so as for now, we're accomplished by this COVID-19, which is kind of bad day by day. So, what are the precautions you guys are taking in this field, sir? Because we used to work on fields. So, what are the precautions you're taking right now, sir?
In the pandemic, I must say the crucial part is our field only because we have to deal with the most illiterate, mostly our people are illiterate in our field because we are working with the daily wages people. So yes, we have to be very much aware. We are aware. Our companies are very much aware, and they are providing our good assets. Like we are getting hand-free sanitizers. We are getting masks. We are taking temperatures on daily basis. We are checking temperature of every manpower around 2 or 3 times a day, and we are arranging some quarantine portions also. So we have actually generated a sections over there. If someone temperature, if any manpower's temperatures goes high, so we will shift them in the quarantine section. And yes, we are doing regular health checkups also in our sites. So we are taking whatever possible precautions in on sites, but it was difficult. But yes, now things are managing because people are getting aware about the cruciality of this pandemic. So yes, these are the things we are doing.
Sir. So, yes. So what are the scopes available in this civil engineering? So because due to this pandemic situation, the hard part is getting job. So we students all are struggling that part. So what are the maximum scopes that are available in civil engineering?
Well, honestly, if I will say, yes, there is actually in civil engineering we have to learn that there is actually two sections like core or non-core. In core, we actually define the residential buildings and industrial constructions. So there is, yes, there is less opportunities in the core section, but the non-core sections we have like solar, we have substation constructions, we have like we have so many parallel works which are going like if you will say the PV structures also. So just don't find only jobs in core section, but try to learn in, if possible, just try to learn in non-core sections as well. You will get the opportunities. Yes, but I want to mention that civil engineering is the only field, civil or I will say the mechanical, which started working in the lockdown of portion also. So we have projects in India. Projects are working, but yet new projects are yet to come. Yes, currently we are not getting new projects, but existing projects are working. Even in the lockdown time also, we are working in the in the projects which was already open. And if you try to if people try to find the job in non-core sections, also also for the newcomers they will face like they will face like on campus jobs in which people get earlier in colleges sections also. So they have to go directly to approach the companies. Yet it is little difficult, but definitely you'll get the job if you try to search in non-core sections also.
So yes, that can help. So what's the happiest thing you encountered as a civil engineer, sir?
Happiest thing. Happiest thing I will say that
Happiest.
being a civil engineer, it's a joy. If I am standing on a site, working daily, it's also give me a positivity. Yes, I'm working safely. I'm safe. I'm working and learning something new because civil is the branch where if you are standing on a site on a every day, na, you will learn something new for sure. The things just the So the happiest part I will say that the happiest part is the joy to love the work you are doing and just standing on the site and learning something new. Because as a civil engineer, I must say, if you are on a site on every day, you will definitely learn something new on every day. Just the thing required is just be honest to the work. If you are honest to your work, you want to learn something, you will definitely get something new on every day. And being in India and working as a civil engineer on daily basis, I'll say that itself a joy for me.
So thank you very much, sir. I think we have reached the end of the show. I hope this will be useful for students and people who are willing to pursue their career in civil perspective. And we had a good time with you, sir. Your answers are interesting and fun.
Same as mine. Same as mine.
So, and we our side for your upcoming career, sir. And yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. And I'll
So,
say Portrait is
audience who,
amazing work, which I am also I'm expecting from some at least someone to come and take a stand for a core branches, because nowadays core branches are getting underdog. But I'll definitely appreciate the efforts you are doing. It's very recommendable, and please keep doing the good work for for at least
sure, sir.
encouraging service. Yeah,
Sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
thank you.
Thanks.
Sure, sir. Thank
So,
you, sir.
audience, I hope we are.
Thank you. Yeah.
So, thank you, sir. So, we'll meet you guys within another exciting guest from next. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe.
So if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe to Pro Trainee and also press the bell icon for more informative contents. Thank you.